Hey guys, we're still here at Savannah community and we're gonna check out this model home here, Lilac. And this is by Taylor Morrison. 2,302 square feet to 2,490 square feet. And this model home here is shown as 2,490 square feet. And this is the exterior of the home, right? Let me show you the garage area here. It's a two-car garage. So let's check out this model home. Right, let's check out Lilac. As we can see here, 2,490 square feet. And the entrance is on the left side of the house. See how this one is your side yard. Okay, let's check out the design and layout of this house. Immediately on the right is a separate casita. Is this casita? Because it has its own living room. Look at this. This is perfect for your in-laws or your guests. Right? They have their own fridge here, wine fridge, and then you can definitely put a microwave there, right? Really nice. And this one is the bedroom. I like the color of this bedroom, very light color. I will definitely upgrade the flooring into a 100% luxury waterproof vinyl plank. And this is the view from this bedroom, a little bit of a mountain view. I'm always into views, guys, because if you're in Vegas, you better have a view, right? If you're paying this much. All right, so this one, ooh, love this one. Very, very modern. Here, guys. And look at this. They upgraded this. Again, if you're buying a single story home, the ceiling is literally high. Very, very high. They upgraded the tile flooring here. So I believe this is a separate casita, but it has an entrance on the side, which is this one. So, but let's take a look at the main home. And this is a separate coat closet there. The ceiling is pretty huge, meaning high. So this is the kitchen area. You have a really good size pantry area. Nice huge island. This is a huge island, guys, very long. And really nice kitchen here, light colors. This is your backyard, but let me show you the entire living room, kitchen, and dining area here. You have a formal separate dining area here. There you go. You can see everyone here once they are here. All right, so they have another bedroom here. Again, not a big size bedroom, but definitely not small. And another bedroom here. Ooh, love the golf design there. And this two-bedroom share this one full bathroom. And they have this pretty nice design of the tile. And again, I like this one. I would just choose a lighter color, but I like the design of the counter. And they chose a little bit of an upgrade here. Again, I would choose a lighter color to make it more brighter. This is your laundry area. This, I believe, is the garage, but we cannot open it. I like that there is a sink here. Okay, so those are the 2 bedrooms with their own full bathroom. And let's check out the owner's bedroom, which I like because it's separated from the 2 bedrooms there. Oh wow, this is a pretty good size. And I'm seeing so far the door. When you buy and build a home, you better have an access from your owners to the backyard. I will tell you, you would really appreciate it, especially if you're waking up in the morning, you wanted to do some coffee immediately there. And this is your backyard from the master, from the owner's bedroom. And let me take a look of this. Again, I don't like carpeting. I would definitely choose a hardwood or 100% vinyl waterproof plank. And we're now seeing the master. Hello. The owner's bathroom. Separate sink from your wife or husband. So there are 2 sinks here, separate. So there is no fighting anymore. Now I appreciate this huge bath, shower area. As you can see, it's huge. You can have a party of 10 there easily. And this is not really a big size for an owner's closet, but I will definitely upgrade this with nice cabinetry that has LED lighting. Right, so that's your closet area. Really nice that they have this separate linen closet, and of course toilet area here so that you wouldn't smell if someone is using it. This is probably quartz, and that is your bathroom area for the owner. Now let's take a look at the backyard. So we're gonna go out of this bedroom and let's take a look at the backyard. And I don't know if you can enter. Oh, it's closed here. So see this, guys, is this a Las Vegas thing? I don't know because I don't know because I don't have that in Maryland. I guess it's a double purpose security. And let's take a look at this backyard. This is your side yard. That's your AC unit. It's not definitely a pool size. It's pretty small to put a pool size, maybe a jacuzzi area here if you want. Getting your view from the backyard. Right now you have a view here, but they said that once Toll Brothers put those two-story homes, your view might be lost. Now that's just what they told me. Yeah, definitely just a good sized backyard, but definitely not a pool size. This is pretty small. And as I mentioned, this is the access immediately to the owners from the backyard. All right, we're going back inside the house. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe down below and let me know what do you think of this model home here. And I would really appreciate if you can comment down below, like this video and share this video to any other people that you might know that would be interested in this kind of videos. And don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot there of videos that I toured of different homes that you might like, and the designs are super nice, so you will have an idea of how it looks like to be in this kind of model home. So don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, really appreciate your support to the channel, and in the future I'll be touring other homes in other parts of the world, but I'm concentrating here in the USA first, and then we're going to tour outside the US in the future. So please stay tuned and have a great day.